When you launch an EC2 instance, a temporary public IP address is allocated to it. The IP address is temporary because it may change anytime you stop and start your instance. This is not an ideal situation for us, so we need a way to make the public IP address permanent, and that can be done with an elastic IP. You are able to keep elastic IP addresses for as long as you keep them, and having one elastic IP attached to a running instance comes with no extra charge. So let's allocate an elastic IP address to our instance. On the left menu under Network and Security, click Elastic IPs. We don't have any at the moment, so I will click Allocate Elastic IP Address. Leave the default settings and click Allocate. Here is the elastic IP allocated to us. Next, we are going to associate the IP with our running instance. Click Actions. Click Associate Elastic IP Address. I am attaching this to an instance, so I will leave that checked. I will choose the polling instance here, then click Associate. I will go back to my EC2 dashboard, click Instances. I will drag this panel up so I can see the details, then select the polling instance. The instance public IP address has now been replaced with an elastic IP. You can see both the public IP and elastic IP are the same, and this we can keep as long as we want. Even if we terminate the instance, the IP address is still going to remain with us. Let's continue in the next episode.